Hello everyone, I am Rahul and in this video we are going to perform an exploratory data analysis on the IPL dataset. So let's get started. As you can see over here, I have imported the necessary libraries and I've used two datasets over here. One is the deliveries.csv and the other is the matches.csv. Make sure you check the description. I will post a link to this file over there. And this is how the dataset looks like. This is the deliveries.head and this is the matches.head. Alright. And using deliveries.shape, we can see that there are 1,79,078 rows and 21 columns in the deliveries dataset, and in the matches.shape we can see that there are 756 rows and 18 columns in the matches dataset. Okay, so next thing that I've done over here is I've checked if there are any null values present in this dataset, and yes, we can see that there are three columns like player dismissed, dismissal kind and fielder. These three columns have a lot of missing values in them, so I've directly dropped these columns using the drop function. And here now we can see that there are no null values present in our deliveries dataset. Same thing has been done over here in the matches dataset, and you can see that there is one column. The Empire 3 column has a lot of missing values in them, so I've dropped this column. Okay, but at the same time you can also see that there are a few columns like the City, Empire 1 and Empire 2, which have only a few missing values in them. So I've imputed this missing values using mode. I've used mode because all these columns are categorical in nature. Alright, so using mode, I have imputed this dataset and this is the resulting dataset. Alright, now that we have successfully treated our missing values, this is the final resulting dataset after the cleaning has been done. So this is our deliveries dataset and this is the matches dataset. And now we have successfully cleaned our data. Alright, and I've used value underscore counts over here. So this shows the counts of all the batting teams. All right, and Mumbai Indians is on the top, followed by Kings of Punjab and then Royal Challengers Bangalore. All right, this is the count of bowling teams, and as you can see, Mumbai Indians is on top, followed by Royal Challengers Bangalore and then Kolkata Knight Riders. And this is the count of batsmen. You can see over here, Virat Kohli has the highest count, followed by SK Raina and RG Sharma. And this is the count of non-striker, and here we have SK Raina on top, followed by S Dhawan and V Kohli. Okay, and this is the count of bowlers, and we can see over here that Harbhajan Singh is on top, followed by A Mishra and PB Chawla. And you can see over here that after a team has won the toss, most of the teams opted to field instead of bat. These are the counts of toss winners, and as you can see over here, we have Mumbai Indians on top, followed by Kolkata Knight Riders and then Chennai Super Kings. And this is the count of winning teams. And over here, you can see that Mumbai Indians have won a lot of matches throughout the season, followed by Chennai Super Kings and then Kolkata Knight Riders. Over here, this is the same graphical representation but in the form of a pie chart. And here we have Mumbai Indians on top and Chennai Super Kings, followed by Kolkata Knight Riders. All right, and this is the count of most played venues. And over here we have the names of cricket stadiums. Over here we have Eden Gardens. A lot of matches were played over here throughout the seasons. Okay, and here we have the counts of player of match. Here we have Chris Gayle on top, followed by AB de Villiers and then DA Warner. All right. Over here, these are the player of matches. Again, the same thing, but in the form of a bar graph. All right. We can see that Chris Gayle is on top, followed by AB de Villiers. And this is the count of matches played in a particular city. So here we have Mumbai on top, followed by Kolkata and then Delhi. All right, and here we can see here that in this graph there are two bars. One is the blue bar and the other is the orange bar. So blue bar indicates us all the matches played by a specific team, and the orange bar indicates us all the matches won by that specific team. So here we can clearly see that Mumbai Indians has played a lot of matches, and at the same time Mumbai Indians has won a lot of matches. All right, and the second team would be Chennai Super Kings. As you can clearly see that Chennai Super Kings has also won a lot of matches, but after Mumbai Indians. So it would be a very good decision to sponsor teams like Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. And if a company wants to sponsor a player, then they can go with Virat Kohli, SK Raina, Shikhar Dhawan, A Mishra, and such other players. All right. And the factors that made these teams on top is because of the performance of these players. Strong players were used, and these strong players led to a higher rate of success in the overall team performance. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you do share this video with your friends and see you in another video. Until then, have a good day. Take care.